Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the essentials so the fix works. Sign into the same Apple ID on each device and enable messages in iCloud. This lets Apple merge threads. Once done, make sure every device is on a reliable Wi-Fi network and charging above 20% to avoid interruptions. You're doing this now because background sync fails when accounts or connections differ. This initial check prevents wasted steps later and prepares your devices for the deeper sync reset we'll run next. Next, you'll reset iMessage and force a fresh synchronization. First, sign out of iMessage on every device to clear lingering session tokens, then restart each device to reset network and process states. After rebooting, sign back into the same Apple ID and re-enable messages in iCloud. To force sync, toggle messages in iCloud off, wait 10 seconds, then turn it on again. This prompts Apple to reupload and redownload conversation data. Make sure devices stay connected to Wi-Fi while the cloud reconciles messages. Finally, verify that conversations, attachments, and read receipts now match across your devices. Open recent threads and send a test iMessage to confirm real-time sync. If problems persist, update iOS or Mac OS, confirm sufficient iCloud storage, and repeat the messages in iCloud toggle. Updates often repair sync bugs. As a key troubleshooting tip, only sign out of iCloud entirely as a last resort because that forces a full resync. Before you do, back up important data. That step resolves stubborn account-level issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.